I'm actually not sure where everything is. And we need a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Oh my gosh. You need to be able to smell in here. Smells so good. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I talk about life in Canada, studying in Canada, and personal development, showing you what life in Canada looks like. And today I'm just going to be baking a cake. So I purchased a cake mix and I am going to attempt to bake a cake. Now, I have baked probably 4 times in my entire life. And I've never had an issue with baking before. Usually I just follow the instructions and that's it, because I don't really have experience with baking. I cook but I do not bake. So because I don't have the experience, I would know how to alter the ingredients anyway. Now today the plan is to make a rainbow cake. So that is my goal for today. So come along with me if you would like to watch me bake. And I'm trying to decide if I should make just a regular round cake or should I make cupcake. The only difference in terms of making it is that I would put it into a tin, and I actually have things to do that. I'm thinking make some cupcakes and then use the rest to make an overall round cake. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to be doing today. Definitely come along with me and let's get going with baking in Canada. So this will be my workstation. Pretty basic. I just have a tin right here. I recently moved to another province in Canada, so because of that I'm actually not sure where everything is. And now I'm just noticing that I'm not so sure where everything is located. I need the mixer. Okay, I found it, which is good. Found the mixer, and it's just to attach the thingies in here, and that's pretty much all there is with this. This is the cake mix that I bought. It's a rainbow cake mix. I'm not going to add like the extra icing and this because I actually want to eat it as well, and adding all of this is just too sweet, so that's not going to be added. But all you need to do when you buy a cake mix, it just wants me to add the liquid. So it wants 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and water. Now I do not use vegetable oil at all, so they're just gonna have to work with the oil that I have. So what I'm going to do is to use virgin olive oil. I'm going to be using virgin olive oil, which might change the taste, which I'm a bit worried about, but I'm not completely worried. It needs oil, it needs 3 eggs. So 3 eggs, and then it needs 1 cup of water. So I need measuring. So 1 cup of water is this much water. I'm just going to throw it in here. So 1 cup of water, and we need a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Oh my gosh. No, not quarter, 1/3. This does not show what 1/3 is. That's not good. And then in terms of cups, it should be somewhere down here. So I just added the oil, so that's where I concluded it to be. All you need is oil, water, and egg, oil, and water. That's it. So it says preheat for 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So $325 Fahrenheit. Right, I think the oven is ready. Right, I'm just going to place 25 minutes on the clock. 25 minutes start. But I'm going to be watching it anyway, even though I have 25 minutes going here. So I have to just make some sound so that I can come and check it. So I have 25 minutes on the clock. You need to be able to smell in here. It smells so good. Question is it ready? Ooh, I can see the liquid moving. Yeah, it's not ready. See? It's still very wet. It's not ready, even though the timer actually went off already for it, but it needs probably about 10 more minutes. This is the finished version. Because I sunk the knife in this area when it was soft, it made like a hole in there, unfortunately. But overall it looks good. Let's hope it tastes good.